Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. Today we are going to discuss crazy maths fun and how we have to prove that 2 it is equals to 1. This is crazy maths fun. Here, let's suppose that A it is equals to B. Let's suppose that A it is equals to B. Then we have to multiply A on both sides, that is A multiplied by A, that will be A square, and A multiplied by B, that will be B. Then we have to subtract B square on both sides. We have to subtract B square on both sides. So this is A square minus B square. It is equals to AB minus B square, because we are going to subtract B square on both sides. So here this is A square minus B square. We have to apply the formula A minus B, A plus B here. And here we have to take out B common. So this is A minus B. Here A square minus B square, it is equals to A minus B, A plus B. And here we have to take out B common here. So this is A minus B. Now this factor A minus B will cancel out to this factor A minus B. So this is A plus B, it is equals to B. But here we suppose that the value of A, it is equals to B. So here we have to put the value of B, that is A is equals to B. So this is B plus B, that is 2B equals to B, and then this B will cancel out to this one, and that is 2 is equals to 1. 2 is equals to 1. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.